Hey YouTube, Joseph Ulmer here, and I want to show you something. If you guys have been paying attention to my channel for any amount of time, you know that I took my 16 Ram up last December to Ziebart of St. Charles. I had them undercoated. I also had them spraying a Rhino Liner, and they did the Ziebart Diamond Gloss paint protectant on it. Or at least that's what I paid for. Okay. I found a few spots that should have been undercoated that weren't. Okay, I'll let it go. I don't think my bed liner is a Rhino Liner, and I'm a little pissed about it. I've got warranty paperwork for it, but I'm going to show you the problems that I'm having with this bed liner. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind, I do not haul hardly anything in this truck. I've got a tote that sits in the bed of the truck that's got some tie-down straps. It's got a chain in it in case I need to tow somebody out or get myself pulled out. And I might, from time to time, pick up a sheet of plywood, a couple 2x4s, you know, some feed. Feed is the big thing. I haul more feed probably than anything. Feed and, you know, some animal bedding, stuff like that. Maybe a few bales of straw or a few bales of hay here and there, but that's about it. I don't put anything heavy in here. I don't put anything with sharp corners in here. But I'm going to show you the issues I'm having. Now, if you look right here on the tailgate, right here along the edge, you can see, hopefully this is coming out all right, where this liner is actually peeling on this back side. Now that is a high wear area, I will give them that, but you can see it's actually peeling up right there. It's peeled here. The liner's still here, but it's actually peeled. Okay, now if you go down farther on the tailgate, there's a spot there. There's another spot here where it's peeling. This spot here is completely peeled off. I know the light's not super, you know, not wonderful out here. Now I did just wash my truck. It's peeled here. Now you can see there is something that got in there and kind of scratched that a little bit. So, you know, but it's, look at how badly it's just rolled back. Okay, this spot peeled off. You can see chunks up here on the bed side that are peeling. There's nothing hits that. Okay, there's a huge spot right here that peeled. There's another spot right over here. You can see it's peeling off. And there's more spots all over the bed. I think there's one right there that's peeling off. I think there's another one right over there, if my camera will focus, right there that's starting to peel up. And then no, that is not a bed plug. That is actually where it's starting to peel. There's several other areas inside the bed. There's one up, focus, come on. One right up there that's peeling off. There's nothing ever up there. There's a couple up around the front. You can see right there that are peeling. So guys, here's the thing. I'm going to have to file a complaint with Rhino about this. I mean, this is just, it's completely unacceptable. I don't know what's going on with this liner. I don't know why it's peeling off like it is. I suspect that, one, it's not a real Rhino liner. Yeah, but I do have the Rhino paperwork that says it is. Number two, I think the guy that put it on got in way too big of a hurry and didn't prep the bed properly, because if you notice right here, that is still shiny paint. That's where the liner was, and aside from that little scrape spot right there, that is all still shiny paint. So he did not do nearly, let me back out, do nearly enough prep work. So guys, I want to share this with you. I'm not impressed with Ziebart of St. Charles. They're the ones that did this, and I think I'm going to be taking, I'm going to contact Rhino, and I'll let you guys know what happens with that. And I have a feeling that I will be taking this somewhere else, and I don't know if I'm going to have the whole liner peeled and replaced or what they're going to do, but they're going to have to do something about this because I'm not happy. So guys, do me a favor, click the subscribe button right down there. Questions, throw them in the comment section. Yes, I have a monkey that's trying to get in here again. Anyway, do me a favor, rate the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And don't forget, guys, get out there, get your hands dirty. We'll see you on the next one.